Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail, and I know you're looking for something for game day, them get together or tailgate. I got something for you. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best homemade salsa. Man, this is delicious. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have today for this delicious homemade salsa. Back here we have some whole tomatoes with the juice. We have some Rotel tomatoes here, chopped onions, chopped jalapenos. Yeah, I know some get mad when I say jalapenos, and I'm gonna continue to say it and continue to get mad, you heard me? All right, cumin, chili powder, kosher salt, chopped garlic, salt, freshly squeezed lime juice, some cilantro, and some black pepper. This is all you need for some delicious homemade salsa. Let's jump into it. All right, so now we're at our food processor. Now, if you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender. I'm gonna leave the link to this food processor in the video description below. It's a Magicos. I really like this particular food processor. However, guys, this is a very quick and simple recipe, really easy. We're gonna take all the ingredients and we're just gonna add it right here in our food processor, all right? So we're gonna start right now. Make sure that stuff don't splatter everywhere, which I know it is. Add our Rotel, our red onions, our garlic, our jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, kosher salt. I don't know if I said this was sugar, but this is sugar right here. I may have said salt twice, not even paying attention until I'm doing it right now. Black pepper, chili powder, and some ground cumin. We're just gonna take our top. As you notice, as soon as I lock that baby, you heard it come on, so it's not gonna start unless this top is locked. We'll turn that baby on. We're gonna turn it to a light little pulse in the middle. And what you wanna do now is you wanna pulse this to your desired consistency, all right? Let me add this thing to the top. That way we don't get any splash. And we're gonna pulse this baby. All right, let's see what we got. All right, let's see if this consistency is what we want. And this is the consistency that I like. I'm just gonna give it a little taste just to make sure our salt level is good. Now, I know this is gonna be probably bad for some people, but I like my salsa with a little salt in it, man. I like to have a little salt taste to it. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to mine, a little bit more kosher salt, and kind of get at a mix like this. Gonna take it, taste it again. Perfect, 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 perfect. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator. We're gonna let it chill for about 1 hour. Then we're gonna come back, do our taste test, because I like my salsa to be cold. Now, if you wanna go ahead and get down on this salsa right now, feel free. I like mine to be cold, all right? So we're gonna come right back. All right, so after about an hour in, this is what we have. Nothing really to look at. It's just chill now. And all we're gonna do now is just get that baby bowled up and jumping into quality control. There's nothing else left to do. And there you have it, the best ever homemade salsa. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control. We gotta get this baby a taste test, all right? All right, so it's quality control time. Y'all already know we're gonna bring this salsa to the front of the congregation, man. Let y'all see what this is about. Man, this is like a big bowl of goodness. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. It's chill too. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about right here. Listen, you know when you're at the Mexican restaurant, they give that little bit of bowl of salsa with about 5 chips while you waiting on your food to come out. Listen, I ain't stingy with myself. I got me a big bowl of goodness here. Guys, this definitely something that you can make for game day, tailgate, whatever. Definitely delicious, real easy, real quick. So until then, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.